Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the News Bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Mega National Tribal Festival Adi Mahotsav in New Delhi. Polling for Tripura Legislative Assembly Elections 2023 held today. 69.96% voter turnout recorded till 3 p.m. Congress woo women voters with initiatives to improve their well-being. And BJP will ensure Khasi Garo languages are recognized if voted to pass, says Rituraj Sinha. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the Mega National Tribal Festival Adi Mahotsav at Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi. 1,000 tribal artists from 28 states and union territories are taking part in the festival. 39 Vandhan Vikas Kendras from 17 states and union territories are participating in this Mahotsav. The festival is featuring exhibition-cum-sale of tribal handicrafts, handloom paintings, jewellery, bamboo, pottery, food and natural products and tribal cuisine. The rich and diverse heritage of tribes from across the country are showcasing in over 200 stalls. The festival, which is to celebrate the tribal spirit, including its culture, crafts, cuisine, commerce and traditional art, will continue till the 27th of this month.
आज भारत विश्व को ये बताता है कि क्लाइमेट चेंज, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, ऐसे जो ग्लोबल चैलेंजेस है ना, अगर उसका समाधान आपको चाहिए, आइए मेरे आदिवासी परंपराओं की जीवन शैली देख लीजिए, आपको रास्ता मिल जाएगा.
In Tripura, polling was held today to elect a new 60-member Legislative Assembly. Polling started at 7 a.m. across 3,328 polling stations, including 1,000 sensitive and 28 marked critical and high security cover. Around 69.96% voter turnout has been recorded till 3 p.m. Barring a few minor incidents, peaceful polling is on across the state. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha and his cabinet colleagues and former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar are among the first who exercise their voting right. A total of 259 candidates, including 22 women, are in the fray. Brew voters and voters residing at the zero line of the Indo-Bangladesh border are also exercising their franchise. AICC Media Coordinator Bobita Sharma and President Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress Joplin Scott Schiller encouraged the women voters in Meghalaya by promising many steps towards their empowerment and well-being. In a press statement made today, the Congress party has proposed initiatives to improve women's lives by providing free health care to all citizens, to undertake special entrepreneurship training programs for women, to provide a monthly income of Rs 3,000 to all BPL single mothers, providing free education to every girl child in Meghalaya, to establish an exclusive market for women and to establish a special urban police force to handle city-based crime scenarios using the latest technology and equipment, and increased reservation for women in the police force. The Congress party has fielded 10 women candidates in the upcoming assembly elections.
As you have already noticed in our manifesto, we have commitments towards making women more economically independent and self-reliant. For this, we have the initiatives, as you know, in our 5-star Meghalaya commitments. We are committed to giving an monthly income of 3,000 to single women, single mothers below poverty line. We are also committed to undertake special entrepreneurship training programs for women to make them self-sufficient and financially independent.
BJP National Secretary in charge of North-East, Rituraj Sinha on Wednesday assured that the long-pending demand for the inclusion of the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution will see the light of day once the BJP comes to power in Meghalaya. Addressing media persons on the sidelines of the manifesto releasing event of the party in Shillong on February 15th, Sinha said the people of Meghalaya have a rich culture and the Khasi and Garo languages have hundreds of years of cultural value, adding that these languages must be recognized. The party will do its best to see this through after elections if it gets adequate number of seats. He said they will move ahead in the assembly and work in close coordination with the centre in this regard.
People of Meghalaya have a very rich culture, and the Khasi and Garo languages have hundreds of years of cultural value. We believe that these languages must be considered for inclusion in the 8th schedule, and BJP stands with the Garo people and the Khasi people for inclusion of these languages. We will do our best after election. If we have adequate number of seats, we will move this in the Legislative Assembly and work in close coordination with central government to take this request up.
Congress President Vincent H. Pala said that the Trinamool Congress is only a family party in Meghalaya, which is limited to one family only. He said that the TMC itself is a divided party because presently many people involved in the Trinamool Congress left the party and joined other parties. Talking about the existence of the Congress, Pala said that only the corrupt have left the Congress and joined the TMC. It is a misunderstanding that the Congress has ended in Meghalaya, whereas the existence of the Congress is still the same as it was before, he added.
A party which finished itself. Yes. TMC is a party of one family in Meghalaya. TMC is a party which lots of division right when they started with it. 12 of the MLAs from Congress defected and joined TMC, and half of them left the TMC and joined different parties. That itself, the TMC has finished itself.
In a major boost to the BJP in North Shillong, Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress senior leader Suzuki Pariat on Wednesday has joined the Saffron Party along with her supporters in support of party candidate M. Kharkrang. While addressing the gathering, Pariat said that she has come out of the Congress to join the BJP for the overall development of the North Shillong constituency. According to her, the various candidates contesting the elections were not available when the people needed their help during the time of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Iba hek hakutu ko por ngafoli ngomba ngambe na kaseng jongpi hila mo ban yarap yang ban ai ipa junga mata ni haban tebi no ken le na marngiru ni haban chong quarantine te ikhlem ong ngamte ya ka anu ka party ngam ngakhlapet ya banta ngan yarap lu ya barok hoy di kata ka penlong nga hadu banta nga berkhat man ka por ho ngan join dengan nai join ndi ondang ala berkhat ngal asani bha ngong em ngahaban join ngakwa banyarap iki pa ngakwa banyarap iki long kmi khamtam ki bala shem janjar majrading adep mat ngasutho bat ngamkwa ba ki long kmi bakin mat kan ka ju.
And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded in the city was 19.5 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 7.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 54% while it was 80% in the evening. The forecast says dry weather is most likely to occur at isolated places. This is a reminder that our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates mega national tribal festival Adi Mahotsav in New Delhi. Polling for Tripura Legislative Assembly elections 2023 held today. 69.96% voter turnout recorded till 3 p.m. Congress woo women voters with initiatives to improve their well-being. And BJP will ensure Khasi Garo languages are recorded if voted to pass, says Rituraj Sinha. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.